What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I tried to braid out this time and I am loving it. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this, please continue watching this video. If you're new, please subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on social media, join the Cole gang, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, you guys, so I just washed my hair. I combed and sectioned it out, as you can see. I'm excited. This is going to be my first braid out. I've done finger coils, I have done bandeau knots, and now I'm attempting this braid out. I'm going to do smaller braid outs. About, I want to say like 2 or 3 months ago, I had braids, and when I first took them out, I really liked that like crinkly effect it had on my hair. So yeah, I was watching some YouTube videos and I'm gonna give this a try. I think sectioning it out is gonna just prayerfully we're gonna pray about it. We're gonna hope for the best. I hope this doesn't take as long as I think it will, but it might. But all I have is time. So we're gonna go ahead and start out with the back section right here. I'm going to be using my regular products. I'm just gonna be using, okay, so we got my curl enhancing smoothie, and then we have my leave-in conditioner right here. Alright, and then this is what I'm going to be applying after the braids. I'm just going to put it on my ends so that my ends can have that curly effect too. And then for my oil, I didn't think about that, but I just thought about it right now. This is what I'm going to put in my hair. It's Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. Yes. Okay, so you'll see me use this. I might put it in there now, and I might also put it in there when I finish, like when I take the braids out. So those are the products that I'm going to be using. So right now I'm just going to spray down my hair. You know, I haven't put anything in it since I washed it, so when you do your braid outs, I was watching a video, the girl said your hair must be wet. So I'm gonna wet it up a bit. I don't want it to be drenched, but you know, I'm gonna wet it a good amount. Alright guys, so I just combed it out. This is how it's looking. Okay, so now I'm just going to style it how I normally would if I was just doing my hair. So I'm going to start off with this curl enhancement smoothie. This stuff smells the bomb, y'all. It's great. I love it. So I'm just going to do it as if I was doing my hair regularly. Just putting it all up in there like so. Yeah, I was trying to angle the camera differently so it could look as if I was looking at you guys, but the way my tripod is set up, baby, like, I have a cool little setup though. I'm not gonna bash what I do, but I wanted it to be angled just a little different, but I can still see you guys, and if I need to, this chair turns, so we all good. All right, now I'm going in with this conditioner. Should I put that first? I don't know. I don't think it matters. Does it matter? Y'all tell me if it matters or not. I don't think it does. But it might, and if it does, sorry. I'm going to spray this on here, and I'm really just going to focus. I'm going to get all of the hair, but I'm really going to focus on my ends just because they are dry. Dry, and I might spray some more after I finish braiding. Alright, so this is how my hair is looking right now. So the key to this for me is going to be the sections that I do. So let me see how much hair I want to take out. What y'all think? Y'all can't even talk back to me. I don't even know. Well, I'll say what y'all think. Okay. Yeah, I'll take out that much hair. So I'm going to put this out the way. And of course, I didn't bring my clip over here. All right, we're just gonna put this with this then. Wait, oh Lord Jesus, hold on. Okay, so I'm about to start the braid. I don't know, I'm not a professional braider, okay? So if you notice it looks a little funny or something, you in my business. Don't do that. See how you just shouldn't do it? Like, don't do that. So I'm gonna start this braid out, and if I need to, I'll say something in between. Alright, so the first braid was a little fail, but it's okay. So we're gonna do it again. I need to get closer to my scalp. I need this braid to be tighter. So, alright, sectioning it out again. This much, and this much. Alright. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler. This kind of works magic. I'm just gonna apply this to the end. You want to make sure that your ends are moisturized, okay? Because if not, word on the street is the braid out will fail, and I don't need those problems. Alright, y'all, so I could have got a little closer, but like I said, I'm not an expert. I don't really know how to braid super close to the scalp, but for the most part, it's a cool little braid. Let me show you. I feel like I did well. Okay, so we are gonna repeat the process. I'll do it one more time for you guys, and then I'll speed it up. And also, if you feel your hair getting a little dry, just add some more product. It's all good. Add some more to the root of this, just because I didn't get it very well. And I like to, so I know that the braid is tight, I just kind of pull like this. The braid has to be tight in order for this to get the full effect. Alright, that was braid number 2. And now I'm getting ready to speed it up, so see y'all in a second. Have y'all seen that show on Hulu called P-Valley? That show is crazy. Like, at first, I didn't know if I was gonna like it. I'm not even gonna cap. But further down into the episodes, I was like, alright, this is a pretty cool show. It's on Hulu if y'all want to check it out. Bro, I want Snowfall to come back. Do you guys watch Snowfall? Do y'all watch Snowfall? Tell me you watch Snowfall. Please tell me. Y'all, that show is so freaking good. Like, that show, I'm sorry if I got excited and scared you, or like the volume went up a little bit, but Snowfall is the show, okay? That show is really good. Like, if there's any Netflix or Hulu shows that y'all want to put me on to, feel free. I'm open-minded. Just make sure it's good. Just make sure it's good. Don't have me watching nothing that is boring, okay? Don't do it. Don't do it, okay? But yeah, all right. I'm finna finish off this section. I'm done. It didn't take as long as I thought it would, honestly. I'm gonna turn it for you guys so y'all can look in the back. Now, I'm gonna spray it. Oh, I'll count it out for you guys. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
I have 18 braids in my hair. This is taking me back to when I was a young one. I used to get my hair done like this all the time. So I'm gonna spray it down with my Hold and Shine. I showed you about this in the beginning. It would have been a lot easier if I just sprayed it into my hand and then rubbed it down. I always make stuff harder for myself. I don't know why. That's always been how I am. I just make stuff harder than it has to be. Okay, so now that this is done, I'm just gonna let it dry. A perfect braid out is done when your hair is completely dry. So I'm gonna sleep with this overnight. It's about it's 4:27, so I have the whole day to let my hair dry, do what it does. I'm gonna take these out in the morning and we're gonna get back to it then. But so far, I hope you guys are loving this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. How y'all think it's gonna turn out? Let me know in the comments. Comment right now. I'm gonna give y'all time. I'm gonna give you time. Are you commenting? Alright, comment. Go ahead, go. Alright, I hope y'all commented. So I'm gonna leave these in overnight and we're gonna see. I hope they come out good. I mean, I could have braided a little tighter, but I mean, it's still the concept. I think it looks cute. I think I look cute with it. What do y'all think? What do you think? Look from a smile. I look cute, huh? I know. Period. So yeah, oh god, I'm such a girl. I love flipping my hair. It's just something about that hang time. It's the hang time for me. Like, you could just flip it and it'll move. It's not stiff, baby. Like, it moves. It moves. It can flip. Like, oh my god. But yeah, I hope y'all are enjoying this video. I'm gonna get out this camera because I'm acting a fool. But give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're already subscribed. Comment down below if y'all liking it and how you think it's gonna turn out. And we're gonna see how it's gonna come out in the morning. Alright y'all, I'm getting ready to take my hair down, but before I do, I'm going to spray this into my hand and put it on my hair so that there's moisture. Now, as you're unbraiding, don't do too much, just unbraid. Don't comb it out, don't do anything. You do not want to mess this up. Okay, so this is how it should look. If you want more of a crinkly look, then you're gonna have to do smaller braids. Alright y'all, so here is the finished look. I like it. Usually when I wear my hair curly, like, this side of my hair always gets more poofy than this side. That's the only thing about this braid out. Maybe I should have, since I knew that, maybe I should have braided this side a little smaller. But I think it's cute. But the trick for this is just when you're unbraiding, don't like try to comb your hair out, you know what I mean? Just keep it how it is. Don't do too much. It's a little frizzy here and there, but it's not bad. I think I'm gonna get a little dressed up for y'all just so y'all can see how this hairstyle pops out. Okay, so I will be back. So this is how my hair is looking. Period. So now y'all see how I'm coming. You can stop playing with me, okay? But so I got myself a little like side thing right here going on. Y'all can see. I just pinned like 3 bobby pins back here, and then I did my baby hair. Did my baby hairs. But yeah, so I'm out here. I'm feeling myself up just a little bit, just a little bit. I need my eyebrows done, y'all. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're new, please subscribe. Join the Cole Gang. Y'all already know what it is. Yeah, I'll be back with another video soon. If you have any video suggestions for me, comment that down below and I got you. And I love y'all. Bye.